Hello, my name is David Omishake, and I'm saying welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, I'm saying welcome to the second edition for the tips and tricks you need to know about your mobile phone. Although this will be the sixth one, this is the part two actually. And the first thing I want to mention is about unknown source. Unknown source. The reason why I said you should off your unknown source is to protect your mobile phone from taking information from a source you don't know, and also saving your data. And to do that, all you have to do is go to your settings, and when you get there, click on apps and notification. Once you click on apps and notification, click on special access. All right, can you, if you get there, click on install unknown apps. Okay, once you get there, you can see all these apps. All these applications are applications that receive and can send. Your drive can receive and can send. All these applications, everything can receive applications. Your messenger, your X, anything they can receive application. They can receive anything online. And to protect your phone, you have to make sure it is not allowed to install any application to your phone. Okay, let me go to my Google now. Can you see? Okay, according to them, they said your phone. All right, your phone and personal data are more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps. By installing app from this source, you agree that you are responsible for any damage to your phone or loss of data that may result from their use. Can you see? You have to make sure this is not allowed. All right, the second thing I want to talk about is how to split your screen into two. How to split your screen into two. All right, so if you want to split your screen into two, the thing you have to do. Okay, now you can see there are three icons. Yes, there are three icons on my overview. The first one is for cancel. The second one has a big font, while the third one has a padlock on it. So the one you are going to click on is the one in the middle, one very close to the padlock. So once you click on it, now can you see all other apps display here? And the reason why my messenger is not displaying the same, can you see my blogger is the same, is putting on the big font size, while messenger is not doing that because messenger doesn't allow it. My audiomack doesn't allow it. My photos allows it. My WhatsApp allows it. All right, let me show you that you can access that from there. All right, so let me just put my messenger and my blogger here. Oh, okay, now can you see I can actually start editing? I can start editing. All right, let me put how to, let me go to my text editor. Can you see I can actually do something like that here? All right, so if I want to change it back, I can actually switch to this. I can switch to my WhatsApp and I can start texting from here. All right, I think this is cool. Actually, this is cool. All right, the third one I want to mention is the remaining one I'm going to mention is basically about keyboards. It's basically about keyboards. All right, so the first thing I want to do now is to let me click on my audio mark. So it's going to cancel everything. All right, the first thing I want to talk about is to, all right, let me go to my, I want to actually use my notepad for example. All right, so it's to make your keyboard float. All right, the first thing you have to do, all right, actually click on it before you guys could know. All right, so you have to click on the Google icon. Once you click on Google icon, click on the three dots arranged horizontally, sorry, or arranged horizontally. Once you click on it, click on floating. Once you click on floating, you can actually make your phone go up and do anything you like about it. I actually like doing this a lot. Probably when I'm in bed, I'll put my phone to my chest and I will start typing anything I want to type. All right, so to disable it now, you have to follow the same process. So follow the same process, but this actually doesn't work like this on WhatsApp. The way it works here is you have to, it doesn't require you going to Google. You just have to click on the three dots from here and do whatever you want to do. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is your one hand. I know you guys know a lot about this one hand stuff, but I just want to show. All right, this one and stuff, you can actually do it. You can change it to the side, and the essence for this one is probably because if you're on the road and you want to type, you want to you want to reply to someone and you want to concentrate on where you're going, you can actually start using one hand. I think this is it's not even thinking, it is very useful, very very useful. So remember, anytime you are walking on the road and you want to reply or you want to chat, make sure you put it to one hand. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is spacing. Okay, let me see. If I want to type, my name is David Omishakin. Probably I made a mistake here. I wrote F. Yes. All right. And I'm clicking on it now. It's not taking it to F. Can you see? It's not taking it to F. And people have a lot of problem with this stuff. I want to edit the F. It's taking it to A. So what you just have to do is long press on your space bar. Once you long press on it, swipe it down. Oh, sorry. Oh, why is it not picking it once? All right, so once you swipe it down, you're going to get to the F immediately and you can actually edit whatever you want to do. All right, the next one I want to talk about is translating. All right, so to translate, let me use this one as an example. Let me use my Notepad. Okay, so to translate, what you just have to do is click on these three dots, and once you get there, click on translate. All right, so this actually can work without internet connection. So let me on my data now. We'll have to on my data. So let me on my data now. So my data is on now, and it is going to work perfectly. Can you see translate? Let me go back to the main point. Let me go translate. All right, so let me translate from English to Yoruba. My head is good. Is good. Oh, he's not saying this actually. He's not saying this. Why is he not saying this? He's not saying this. Let me translate from Yoruba. Okay, Ori. Okay, can you see Ori? It translated it to head. I think it's very cool. You can use it anytime you want. Just make sure you are using it. Just use it. Maybe you don't know anytime you want to chat with someone, you don't know how to put the words. You can just type the language you understand, and it's going to translate everything for you. All right. If you like my video, please kindly give it a thumb up, and also drop your comments in the comment box. And if you have any questions to ask, please also drop it in the comment box. And most likely, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and click on the notification bell to get more videos. So anytime I drop video, you're going to get notification on when I drop my next video. Thank you for watching this video. You're welcome.